Next, we are going to learn about a rule, Zaitsev rule. Here also, dehydration is followed, that is intramolecular dehydration. Intramolecular means within the molecule, the water, within the same molecule, water molecule is removed. That is called intramolecular dehydration. Here, there is possibility of forming carbon-carbon double bond at different locations. At different locations the carbon-carbon double bond is formed, but the preferred location is that which gives the more substituted alkene, that is a stable alkene. For now we are going to see one example for that. This is one of the compound. Numbering: first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So 4 carbon means bute, already you know. All are having single bond. So AN, OH present in the second group. So 2-all, butane, drop E and write butane 2-all. Butane 2-all. Next, third carbon having 2 methyl groups, here one, here one. So prefix 3, 3 dimethyl. 3, 3 dimethyl butane 2-all. Now this is the starting compound. Now we are going to see the dehydration, how it happened. So instead of the same sulfuric acid, H plus O SO3 H minus, this will be removed, and having lone pair oxygen, this oxygen take this hydrogen with it, this is gone out. So what happens now? Just addition of a hydrogen there, that's all. Just hydrogen is added from here to here with the oxygen. So CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH, O, already one hydrogen atom present. Now one more hydrogen is added from sulfuric acid, so forming a carbocation, CH, CH3. This is one primary carbocation. Now this one, from here one water molecule removed. So this is removed, water molecule removed. So we are getting just the bond shifted from here to here. So here there will be no bond. So cleavage takes place. CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH plus CH3. This is a secondary carbocation. And from here, if it removes one H plus, elimination of H plus. So if it removes one H plus from here, suppose it removes one H plus from here, what happens? CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH. Here one hydrogen removed. Double bond CH2. Since one hydrogen removed from here gets double bond. So, what is the name for this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means bute, double bond. Double bond present in first carbon. So, bute 1-ene. Third carbon having 2 methyl groups. So, 3, 3 dimethyl bute 1-ene. This is one process. 3, 3 dimethyl butane 2-all, protonation, then removal of water molecule, forming a secondary carbocation. Here one hydrogen is removed, so we are getting this product. This is one of the product. This is one alkyl substitution. So it is present only 3%. Now the same, this one secondary carbocation from here, methyl group is shifted. That is called methyl shift. That is this methyl group from the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. From the third carbon shifted to second carbon. This methyl from the second carbon, from the third carbon shifted to second carbon. So what happens? CH3, C, CH3. This CH3 shifted to second carbon. So no CH3 here. Here carbon, hydrogen, then one CH3, then CH3. This is tertiary carbocation. Why tertiary? This carbon having a positive sign attached with 3 more carbon atoms. So it is called as tertiary. Secondary, this carbon atom, the carbon attached to 2 more carbon atoms. That's called tertiary. This is a tertiary carbocation. Here 2 types of elimination possible. Two types of elimination possible. First one is A type, second one is B type. In the A type, also minus H plus, here also minus H plus, elimination of hydrogen. In the A type, that is from this carbon, one hydrogen is removed. So what happens? CH2, double bond, C, CH2 double bond C, CH3. Then here this one CH, CH3 twice. CH, CH3 twice. So this one is, so second carbon here, second carbon one methyl group, third carbon methyl group. So what happens? 2,3 dimethyl, same butanene. Substitution only different. This is occur 33%.